Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Manchester, the local time. It's just gone 2:30 and the outside temperature is 19 degrees. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete and final stop. The captain has switched the seatbelt sign off and the main passenger door has been opened. Do take care when opening the overhead compartment in case anything has moved during the flight. And before you leave the aircraft today, please make sure that you haven't left anything behind. In particular, we ask you to check your seat pocket to ensure you have your passport and your mobile phone. Any items of lost property will be handed to our agents here in the terminal building. If you haven't yet handed in your customer feedback form, or you wish to make a donation to our onboard charity, you may do so as you leave the aircraft today. When thinking of booking your next holiday, we're here to help. You can visit our local Thomson or First Choice travel shops, or visit our websites thomson.co.uk and firstchoice.co.uk for some inspiration. On behalf of the captain, Stuart Martin, his crew, everyone at Thomson Airways, we do realise that you do have a choice of booking your holiday, and would like to thank you for choosing Thomson and First Choice. We'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a safe and onward journey, and we look forward to seeing you on board one of our flights again in the very near future. Thank you and a very good afternoon to you all.
Oh, pretty.